Our journey began 30 years ago with a larger-than-life vision. We expanded, adapted and evolved to become Sri Lanka's foremost aluminium extrusion manufacturer. With continuous innovation, we were able to provide a lighter, stronger and flexible product that offered infinite solutions for the future. We were recognized and we received international accreditations to become the most trusted aluminium brand in Sri Lanka as a leading provider of best-in-class commercial, industrial, residential and architectural aluminium extrusion profiles in Sri Lanka. We have shaped industries around the world. Today, we offer a range of breakthrough innovations with our expert capabilities and future-tested technology in the world of aluminium manufacturing. While we achieve our goals, we have a responsibility to our future. Today, with a family of 950 members, our journey has a greater vision. We carry the responsibility to save Mother Nature, to give back to the one who gave us everything. Saving over 1.5 million trees already, we continue our battle against the carbon footprint. Aluminium is the metal of the future, and every day we strive to make aluminium part of the solution to the greatest challenge of our time. We are Alumex.